Hello everyone. Welcome to Video Digest by Preeti Shah. Today we are going to study the rule number 2, which is known as the quotient rule. Now, what do we understand by quotient rule? Let's get started. For the quotient rule, the first requirement is m and n are positive integers. To know about positive integers, go to my previous video. In rule number 1, I have explained what are positive integers. Second, the same rule, base needs to be the same. And as we all know, the denominator cannot equal to be 0. Now, what is denominator? So if there are two, suppose it is A divided by B, then A is known as the numerator and B is known as the denominator. Okay, so let's get started with an example. What does the rule say? Now, suppose we have number 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 1. Now, as you can see, the quotient rule says that there is to be a division sign. It is for the quotient. So, there should be a division sign. 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 1. Here, the base is same, 5 and 5. So, we'll write 5. Now, what happens to the exponents? So, here, the first exponent of the numerator we will see, it is 2. And denominator is 1. We will have to subtract that from 2. So, here, the answer will be 5 raised to the power 1. Or it is also written as 5. Now, how this is possible? Let's see. 5 raised to the power 2. You can write the same thing as 5 times 5. And 5 raised to the power 1. In the division, you can write it as 5. And you can cancel this 5 and 5. So you remain with 5, which is the answer right over here. Okay, let's see second example. Now suppose you have got 10 to the power 9 divided by 10 to the power 7. Is the base same? Yes, the base is 10. So write that here first. What is the first power of the numerator? Check the numerator power. Write that here. Put a subtraction sign. And what is the power in the denominator? 7. So write that 7 over here. This will give us 10 raised to the power 9 minus 7 is 2. Let's take some other example. Suppose A raised to the power 15 divided by A raised to the power 10. So is the base same? Yes. So first of all, write the base, that is A. Now write the power which is in the numerator, which is 15. Write a subtraction sign and write the power which is in the denominator, which is 10. And you will get A raised to the power 5. Now, what is the common mistake that people make? Let's see that. Suppose it is A raised to 15 plus A raised to 6 divided by A raised to 10. Now here, since this is, the base is A, but here because it is a positive sign, we cannot directly do anything to this. We have to either put it as 10 raised A raised to 15 upon A raised to 10 plus A raised to 6 upon A raised to 10. Okay, because this A raised to 10 is common to both. This denominator is common to both the numerators. So now you can completely do this. A raised to 15 minus 10 plus A raised to 6 minus 10. A raised to 15 minus 10 is A raised to 5 plus A raised to 6 minus 10 is A raised to negative 4. So this is your answer. Now you cannot further do this as I told you in the previous video because we cannot use the product rule because we don't have a product over here. It is an addition sign and not a multiplication sign. Hence, this will be your answer. I hope that is clear. Thank you.